Did you know that you may make money online with only one click? Isn't it like something out of a fantastic novel? A single click producing money sounds like a dream I don't want to wake up from. Yet this video offers everything you need to make that fantasy a reality. In this video, I'll show you the most recent money-making approach that I discovered, which may earn you $5 for every single click you make. You might be asking what the catch is with a method as fantastic as this one. But there isn't one because this approach is purely for your advantage. First and foremost, it is free. No money will be taken from your pocket, so you are secure. Second, it's available to anybody on the earth, which I'm sure you are, so it's exactly up your alley. Third, all you need is your device and an internet connection. There's no need to buy expensive equipment because you can use whatever device you have, such as your laptop or phone. Finally, if you're worried about your lack of experience, I'm here to tell you that you have nothing to worry about because this is all available to individuals all around the world, regardless of your technical abilities or previous experience, making it ideal for newcomers like you. So if you want to get started, watch this video from the first second to the last. You risk missing out on critical information that could help you succeed with this method if you skip ahead. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Let's get back to the video now. Allow me to show you the website, Oogads.com, because I don't want to keep you waiting. Before we start, please pay close attention to what I'm saying. You have all the time in the world after seeing this video to continue with this strategy in general. Returning to Oogads.com, the OG Ads profit-generating content locker allows you to quickly monetize your website, blog, app, or social media profiles. Those words may seem strange at first, but don't worry. I'll be there to help you every step of the way. We'll go over each procedure in detail so you don't get confused. As you can see, this app is accessible on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, allowing you to use it on Android or an iOS smartphone. Check your stats on the go with our Feature Reach mobile app, they say on their page. You can even create content lockers and get links to promote directly from your phone. So, you can do this method even when you're not at home, because it's easily accessible on mobile. You can be out having dinner with friends, attending festivals, watching movies, or doing anything else and still make a lot of money online, quickly and easily. Now it's time to go over the sign-up procedure. But first, I'd like to let you know that you can read the full page to get a sense of what you're working on. This page provides all of the required information that you require. Whether you have some questions or something is bugging you a little, they are extremely transparent with how they present information. So satisfy your curiosity and explore the page at your leisure. Simply scroll back up to the top of the page until you see the sign up button. If you still haven't worked it out, click that and you'll be taken to this page where you may begin the registration process. Because there are 4 steps to the account creation procedure, you may feel a little overwhelmed once you arrive on this page. Let's begin with the access information without further ado. Fill in your username, email address, and password on this page to create your account. By the way, just to be safe, they'll ask you to confirm your password. When you're finished, click the blue icon that reads Next Step. After that, you'll be directed to the following section, which contains the address information. Simply provide your first and last name, as well as your complete address, the city in which you presently reside, your region's postal code, and your nation. Please be patient as this will just take a few seconds. To get to the third section, which contains general information questions, click the blue button once more. It's critical that you will fill out all of these fields because they won't be able to approve your account if you don't. Now, for question 1, why do you want to work with OG Ads? Simply write something along the lines of earning money online with a personal touch. Simply make sure to respond to all of the questions with your best creativity, professionalism, and resourcefulness. Next, how did you learn about OG advertisements? You can either be truthful and say you learned about it via daily cash tips, or you can be bold and say you discovered it online, such as on YouTube or Google. You'll have the same probability of getting in either way. So write whatever you want. Question 3. How long have you been doing CPA in this field? They have a selection for you to choose from, and I'd like you to go with the 6 to 12 months option. They will know that you have a solid foundation in this field of employment as a result of this, making you a genuine candidate to join the platform. Question number 4. How much money do you make each month? You have a variety of possibilities for this question, so go with $100 to $250. Then for this question, please identify any previous networks which you have collaborated. Simply type in all of the networks with which you've been associated, and then fill in the blanks as needed. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus far. Please leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and informative. The following option displays all traffic source data. This section holds all of the niche or account information on your website that isn't used by Ogg advertisements or made public. To begin, how do you plan to market our services and revenue-generating tools? You can either directly link to this video on the field, or you can input your accounts that may be useful in promoting their services in Ogg advertisements. The second question simply asks you to list all of the content-locking websites you currently control. If you don't have your own website, simply enter your social media connections, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Before moving on to the third question, which merely asks you to respond United States traffic, you can move on to the following stage, which is the promotional social account. Once you've completed the section, you'll include all your promotional accounts, as well as your follower accounts in this area. Simply enter your account information for any relevant social networking sites, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and Snapchat. After you've successfully finished that area, the final component of this section is all about your contact information. Simply enter your phone number, Skype, Kik, and Telegram account information. Double-check all of the information you typed in. Then move on to the next stage by clicking this next button right here. After that, you'll be directed to this page, where you can review their terms and conditions. After that, simply check this box to indicate that you agree to the terms and conditions. Then complete the captcha right here to show that you're not a robot. All you have to do now is click this blue finish button once you've finished that. So now that you have your own account, I'd like you to congratulate you on a job well done. But the work is far from done. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the Tools section and immediately below Incentive Tools, you'll notice this one that says Capture Lockers, which you should click to be sent to a page where you can learn more about what you're getting into. When you've completed browsing the website, click the Create Captcha Locker button. This will redirect you to a page where you may begin using the legitimate money-making method. Simply write Incognito Money Captcha as the name of your locker and leave the remarks field blank. Finally, choose the option for redirect, which directs traffic to another URL. Then type incognitomoney.com in the redirect URL section. After you've completed typing that information, click on the advanced section to be led to another set of fields that I'll show you how to fill out for the conversion. If you're feeling ambitious, you can put 2, but I recommend sticking to 1 for now. I propose selecting 3 so that more offers appear for the people who notice it, and then going all out and selecting 8 for the most offer. It won't hurt to go for the moon. The payment threshold, which I recommend setting to a low of 20 cents so that it benefits everyone involved, and the access time, which I strongly recommend setting to 1 day so that money comes in non-stop. Proceed to the device-specific portion after completing the advanced section and just follow the instructions step by step. Simply insert Content Locked Capture Verification for the desktop description. Simply enter CPI Prioritized, CPA, and pin to go to the desktop offer type sort. Copy and paste the desktop title into the mobile title field, then leave the description field empty. Now, navigate to the mobile offer type sort, which is identical to the desktop version. Click the Create Locker button when you're finished. In essence, a CAPTCHA is created, but in order to pass it, users must first complete a locker to verify that they are genuine people. This is particularly helpful because users must complete the CAPTCHA in order to access the site they're visiting. Simply by doing so, you can generate an endless stream of income, allowing you to achieve financial independence. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.